In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Google Sites. If you've built your website in Google Sites and wanted to use your own custom domain instead of a default Google address, this process is actually pretty straightforward. The setup involves two main parts. First, verifying that you own the domain through Google Search Console, and second, adding the correct DNS records inside Namecheap so Google Sites can connect properly. To begin, open Google Sites and go into the site you want to publish with your custom domain. In the top right corner, click the settings gear icon, then choose custom domains. From there, click Start Setup, select the option to use a domain from a third party and enter your full custom domain. This tells Google which web address you want to connect to the site. Once you do that, Google will ask you to verify domain ownership. Click Verify your ownership, and this will open Google Search Console. In Search Console, choose the domain verification option. Google will then generate a TXT record for you. It will begin with Google Site Verification equals, followed by a unique string. Copy that full value exactly as shown, because you'll need to paste it into Namecheap in the next step. Now switch over to your Namecheap account. Go to your domain list, find the domain you want to use, and click Manage next to it. After that, open the Advanced DNS tab at the top. Scroll down until you see the Host Records section, then click Add New Record. First, create the verification record. Choose TXT record. In the host field, enter the @ symbol. In the value field, paste the TXT record you copied from Google Search Console. Next, add the mapping record that points your domain to Google Sites. Click Add New Record again, then choose CNAME record. For the host, enter www. For the target or value, depending on what Namecheap shows, enter ghs-googlehosted.com. After both records are in place, click the green Save Changes checkmark to make sure everything is applied. Now go back to the Google Search Console verification page and click Verify. If the TXT record has been recognized, Google will confirm ownership of the domain. Then return to your Google Sites custom domain settings, enter the domain again if needed, and click Done or Assign to complete the connection. Keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. In some cases, the changes can take about 30 minutes and sometimes a few hours to fully propagate. If it doesn't work right away, give it a little time and check again. Once propagation finishes, your Namecheap domain should be connected to your Google site successfully.